I'm Terry Henry, founder of terryhenrymarketing.com. Typically, I am marketing restaurants, but today I'm the one in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker brownies. We're going to start with 1.25 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to toss in 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, about a 1/2 teaspoon or so, and let's incorporate that together. So we're going to take 1/2 cup of melted butter, which I melted in the microwave here, 8 ounces of chocolate that has been chopped up finely, and let's stir that up. Let the butter melt the chocolate. And then we are going to add a cup of sugar right into the chocolate and butter mixture. And stir that up, kind of becomes kind of a thick paste. There we go. And now let's throw that into our dry ingredients here. And along with 3 lightly beaten eggs, just pour that in. It's almost a one bowl recipe. Stir that up. It's going to be lumpy, but that's okay. But you want it well incorporated. Okay, and then right before you put it into the slow cooker, we are going to add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of any kind of nuts, but I've done chopped pecans today. Your typical slow cooker, which we need to prepare, we need to grease it with either nonstick cooking spray or butter, whatever you'd like. And we are going to put this thick batter right into the crock pot, slow cooker. Okay. And you want to spread it out so it's even. And you put the lid on and set it on low for 2 hours. Well, our slow cooker brownies are done, and we are going to taste them right now. If done right, your whole house is smelling like chocolate right now. So we're going to scoop them right out of the slow cooker. Add a scoop of ice cream, the best vanilla ice cream you can find, I would suggest. And here we go. Delicious. I'm Terry Henry. Thanks for baking with me today.